Beautiful, isn't it? What if I told you it's not a real fire? What you are looking at is a simulated flame from an electric fireplace insert, one of the smartest investments you can make when remodeling. You've just seen how beautiful modern electric fireplace inserts are. Now I'd like to inform you how efficient they are and why you should consider one for your home. It's no secret that traditional fireplaces are big energy wasters, and many homeowners have abandoned their fireplaces or have tried to make them something they're not. You can revitalize your old fireplace and turn it into a stylish focal point once again with an electric fireplace insert. Dollar for dollar, they represent one of the best investments you can make when remodeling. Electric fireplace inserts require no venting, provide toasty, even heat, and flame effects you can't tell from the real thing. You can even turn off the heat and just enjoy the romantic glow of the flames. For plug-and-play convenience, you can't miss with the log set insert. Set the unit in an existing fireplace and plug it into a wall outlet. With a freestanding mantle, you can even have a fireplace in a room that never had one before. These units can heat a 400 square foot room with ease. Plug-in inserts are similar to log set inserts, except the logs are contained within a steel firebox. They also plug into a wall outlet, but can also be direct wired so that there's no power cord to hide. Plug-in inserts can be fitted with an infrared heating element that expands the room heating capacity up to 1,000 square feet. The plug-in insert and the log set insert can easily be relocated if desired. For permanent installation, a built-in insert is the best choice. It is recommended that a direct line be installed by a licensed electrician. This line can be standard 110 volt or 220 volt for enhanced heating capacity, usually up to 800 square feet. Electric fireplace inserts are very energy efficient, using 14 cents of electricity or less per hour. They're safe, no real fire, no gas, no fumes, and the part that gets hot is recessed in the back, out of the reach of small hands. And yes, they are beautiful. You need one of these in your home. Make the move today to an electric fireplace insert. If you have any additional questions or need further assistance, please feel free to give us a call or chat with us online.